Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a simple and very effective remedy for a face toner to tighten up large pores. If you have large pores on your face or any area of your body, this toner is going to help tighten those pores and going to help keep your pores cleansed and very healthy. So to prepare this very simple and effective remedy, we'll make use of green tea, and this green tea contains honey and lemongrass, and we're also going to make use of rose water. We just need very little of this. So these two ingredients together is going to help lighten up your skin tone, and is also going to help tighten up large pores. What we'll need now is to make tea, and I have it here already. So we'll just take about 2 to 3 spoons of the tea into our mixing bowl, or 4. That's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons. So now we are going to add to that about half a tablespoon of the rose water, that's just about half tablespoon of the rose water. So we'll just mix this together. So you spread this all over your face, the areas you have large pores and you want to lighten up. You spray it all over, and just with your tips, with your fingertips, 2 on both sides, you massage the area gently. Massage in a circular motion. Let me show you what I mean. So just massage this in a circular motion. This is if you're using a spray bottle, just spray it all over and go in with your hands and massage this. You massage for 10 minutes and allow this to sit on you until it's completely dried out, because your skin needs to absorb this goodness inside. But for very effective and better results, before you go in with this toner, just whichever area it is, be it your face or your entire body, make sure it's clean. So it's better you take a shower and exfoliate your skin first before you go in with this toner. So after your shower, exfoliate your skin and you apply this toner and allow it to sit on you until it's completely dried. Then after, we should go in with your favorite moisturizer, be it coconut oil or whichever moisturizer you have. You go in with it. You repeat this remedy 3 times in a week for about 3 to 4 weeks for best results. And when you get your desired result, when you have a lighter and beautiful skin tone and your pores are tightened up, just come back here and say thank you. And also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Give it a huge thumbs up, because definitely it was very informative and useful. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, because I upload very effective and very informative videos just as this one on this channel on a daily basis. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.